So this is going to be a tutorial on how to make a hole in your terrain with the o3de terrain system. So what I'm going to do is right click and create entity, and I'm going to add a terrain layer spawner and just add a box shape. Now the box shape will define how big the hole will be. So if I just make it 10 by 10 by 10, it'll demonstrate a little bit better. Now, because my terrain's so large here, I gotta find where I put my entity here. So I'm gonna hit Z and zoom in on it here. All right, and I'm gonna zoom out, and I'm gonna grab this guy, and I'm gonna just drag him over here. Drag him right there. Now, you'll notice, most of the time when you make it, you'll notice it's like that. And it's real simple to make holes, because all you have to do is drag it below the surface, and it'll make your hole. So say I wanted to have a cave system entrance right there. I just pull the hole through and you'd be all set and ready to go. You just need to manually create a tunnel system after that. But, I mean, yep, that is what it is. The white box tool is what I would use to, I'm going to create a child entity here, and I'm going to create a white box tool. White box there, and I'm going to actually I'm going to detach it as a child entity because I don't need it as a child entity there. I just wanted it to kind of spawn right next to where I'm working here. And I'm going to move that guy up right here. And say I want to make the tunnel go this way. What I'll do is I'll rotate this guy. Say, just like that. Say the tunnel, that's the angle I want the tunnel to go at. And what I'll do is I'll grab the editor here, and I will drag the shape down, drag the shape over here, and drag the shape over here. It was beneficial to use uh, the collider box here as to make the child, because it kind of positioned everything nicely for using the white box. But okay, so I'm making basically where the entrance will be. I will probably would use rocks or something to kind of cover up the surrounding area, just kind of hide all the corners. And what I'd do is get out of edit mode here, and I would hit export to an object file. And then from that object file, you can bring it into, say, Blender, and use that as a base object to start your tunnel system, giving you an idea of the proper size you need. So when you wish to replace this with the object you make in Blender, you basically just uh, add a mesh component, and then you would bring in the FBX file, and uh, that would, yep, I think that's about it. Uh, I think you understand what I'm getting at, so I'm going to call that the end of this, and you have a good one.